Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I have the June Ellish box to unbox and review in this video. It's a very affordable subscription box priced at just Rs 3.99 with free shipping. So without any further delay, let's start unboxing.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the package has reached me in a brown cardboard box. So inside we have this beautiful box with floral print, and again over this we have a layer of polythene. So that's our very beautiful and pretty Ellish box. I really like it. This is the same box as last month and it's a proper box with the logo and everything. So very professionally made and very sturdy and nice looking box. You can definitely use it as a storage option or something as a decor piece. Once we open, we have the info card, some leaflets, and here are all the products with some shock proofing. So let's go through them one by one. So let me start with the makeup section. We have a product from Blue Cosmetics and this is one of my favorite products. This is the Precision Liquid Eyeliner made in Germany and it has net weight of 2.5 ml. Here it says it is rich in color and character finish, quick dry, waterproof, won't smudge or budge, all day, lasts up to 10 hours, which is actually true. And expiry is in 3/2019. Color is pure ebony black. MRP is 499 rupees. It has come in a seal pack like this. So this is how you pull and open. It says a wink a day keeps the stress at bay. So I love the quotes they put. They are very quirky. And this is how the liquid eyeliner looks like. You must have seen this on my channel if you're an old subscriber of mine. I love the packaging. It's very easy to apply. It has a long wand like this. Here are some more details about the product. It has a very nice and fine felt tip applicator. And this is how the swatch looks like. I really like this product. I'm actually using another pack of this right now and I really enjoy using it. It's completely smudge proof, very long wear, stays the entire day until I take it off. So I am really in love with this. It's so easy to apply. You can make a wing very easily. You can see how precise the line is. So I'm definitely very happy to get this product. If you have not used this, I'm sure you will be happy to use this. Then moving to skincare, we have a product from one of my favorite brands, recent favorite brands I would say. It's new in market and this is a new product. It's the Plum Anti-Tan Scrub. Helps in exfoliating, removes suntan, moisturizes and adds glow to the skin. I'm not sure if I have received it in some other box because I haven't used it yet, to be honest. It's a 50-gram tub, but Plum products are really good. So I'm definitely excited to try this out. And cost is 399 rupees. Here are all the key ingredients mentioned. Paraben and sulfate free. You have to use within 6 months of opening. And this is how the product looks like. I can actually see the sugar crystals in it. Has a very nice citrusy fragrance. As you know, vitamin C and citrusy products have very good lightening and brightening properties, so definitely it's gonna remove the tan. What better scrub than an anti-tan scrub during summertime when the major issue we face is tanning. Then we have a very unique product in an amazing packaging and I'm really looking forward to trying this. This is by the brand Vincent Scarlett and this is an anti-pollution gel. Having a gel-based product is best during summertime, and anti-pollution products are so essential if you're living in cities and metro cities because pollution really damages your skin. It's the major cause of acne, for skin aging, so having something like this really helps. So I'm definitely happy to have this product. You can layer this below or over your moisturizer before your sunscreen. Just a little bit because it's not going to add on to the oiliness. It's a gel based product, so you can just apply a little bit to protect your skin from the pollution. So it's definitely an amazing product, and what is even better is that it has an additional SPF of 14, so it will add on to the sunscreen you are using. It's non-greasy hydrating formula for fair and glowing skin with SPF 14. More details are mentioned here and this is the entire list of ingredients. Cost is 999 rupees guys, and it has 60 ml of product, best before 11/2019. As you can see, it has a gel-like consistency, and I really like the packaging. It's very quirky and very vintage kind of looking, so I definitely like it. Then the next product we have has come seal packed. So this is by the brand Ayurveda Bath and Body Products, and this is a solid perfume in the variant Arabian Nights. I immediately remember Aladdin when I read that word, Arabian Nights. Manufactured in 24/5/2018 and best before 18 months. MRP is 250 rupees. Very affordable considering this is solid perfume, which are usually quite expensive. 10-gram product, ingredients are mentioned here, and here is the description about the product. It has a nice and sturdy packaging. It has a second layer of packaging as well, which is good. And this is how the solid perfume looks like. It has a really nice fragrance. I really like it. A fragrance that's very sensual and something that you would be wearing on date night or some party, that kind of fragrance, I feel. And it's quite a strong and bold kind of fragrance, so I am definitely happy with this. Then lastly, we have a personal hygiene product, which is this loose spray toilet seat sanitizer. Kills 99% germs, removes foul odor and pee in peace. So this is such an essential product guys. I have to have this at all times with me if I'm going out on a trip or to a meeting or somewhere I'm not sure if I'll have to use a public toilet. I have to carry this in my handbag. Even if I'm going for a movie or to a mall for shopping, I do carry these because we women easily catch urinary tract infections. So this is really an essential product. So I'm very happy to receive it. So the MRP of this is 120 rupees and manufactured in 3/2018. Best before 3 years from there. So we have a lot of time. Here are more details about the product. It's again a new brand, loose spray, but basically all toilet seat sanitizers work the same way. They have some fragrance which will counteract the odor and they will kill the germs. So I'm very happy. This is a very thoughtful and very good addition in the box. So here we have some leaflets. There is one from Vincent Scarlett and there is another from Ellen Blue. There is a 20% discount code as well, which is good. It is Ellish 20, which is valid till 30/6/2018. So you can use this if you want. And finally, this is our info card. The theme this month is travel edition, which is very appropriate because we have a toilet seat sanitizer. We have a anti-tan because we usually get tan during trips and traveling. We have an anti-pollution product which is also very essential for traveling, and we cannot carry perfumes during travels or trips, so we have to have a solid perfume to carry with us during our trips. So I think very well curated as per the theme this month. It says keep your skin in top shape when you are on the go, June Ellish box, and here are the pricing details mentioned. The anti-pollution gel we rate as 999 rupees. Ellen Blue liquid eyeliner also was mentioned as 499. Plum skin food also we read as 399. Solid perfume also we have the price on the pack, which is 250, and toilet seat sanitizer also was for 120. We have all the prices mentioned on the product itself, and the total worth of the products is more than 2,300 rupees, which is amazing for a box priced at 399 including shipping. I'm truly very impressed with the box. Even though it's new in market, in my opinion, it is competing with some of the top subscription boxes in India today at a very affordable price tag. They have all branded products, very well curated. Total worth is very high compared to the box price tag, and there is nothing that I can say is not up to the mark. Starting from the packaging, the box, everything is just amazing. This is something that's already competing with boxes like Glamour and all, which have established themselves quite well in the market. So a big thumbs up to the June edition Ellish box. If any of you guys are interested in ordering this box, then all details are mentioned in the description box below. I will surely recommend purchasing this. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.